To the future president and directors of the EBMUD board, as EBMUD crosses a century of service today, we are looking forward to the future.
On this exact date, May 22, 1923, EBMUD was formed to provide clean, safe, reliable water service to the people of the East Bay. For the last few months, the team at this site has also been working on a time capsule that'll be opened 100 years from now. Inside the time capsule are various items, equipment, mementos, drawings, notes, and even a fossil recently discovered on our watershed lands. This collection is designed to give EBMUD employees of 2123 a glimpse into the tools we used, the way we worked, the projects we built, who we were, and the hopes we had for the water workers of the future.
I'm envisioning how our East Bay communities will thrive, based in part on the legacy that we leave to you. Our history is marked by an inspiring story of communities uniting against the odds to build a water infrastructure that is now the backbone of our cities. Our reservoirs, aqueducts, treatment plants, thousands of miles of pipes, and wastewater treatment facilities were novel then, but are essential now.
Today, we provide water service to over 1.4 million customers in 35 cities and communities. For the past century, we've been a constant, yet sometimes invisible, presence in our community. We do this because we know clean water is essential for healthy people, a healthy environment, and a strong local economy.
The utility district's mission at its core is about protecting public health and the environment. This requires collaboration with regulators, other agencies, and the communities to navigate through droughts, floods, economic depressions and recessions, earthquakes, wildfires, and now a global pandemic.
EBMUD has adopted a climate action plan that includes some of the most aggressive greenhouse gas emission targets in the nation. We are making investments so that we not only mitigate our impacts, but we are prepared to adapt to the changes. This includes expanding our recycled water supply, building more renewable energy, and preparing for sea level rise. The legacy we leave to you will be a renewed infrastructure. The story of the next 100 years is one of climate resilience and investment in the future.
Happy birthday, East Bay Mud!